Imagine you accidentally delete your favorite photo. You panic. But what if I told you that the photo might be still inside your computer right now? Today, we are uncovering the truth about what really happens when you delete a file. Most people think pressing delete instantly destroys a file forever, but that's not true. When you press delete, your computer often removes the file's address rather than the file itself. Let's imagine your storage is a huge library. Every file is a book. When you save a file, the computer writes down where that book is located. When you delete that file, the computer removes the library card, but the book is still sitting on the shelf. The computer simply says, "This space can be used later." Why deleted files can be recovered. This is why recovery software sometimes works. It searches the storage device looking for data that still exists but isn't listed anymore. Many people have recovered deleted photos, videos, and documents this way. Now, what is overwriting? This is the interesting part. When you save new files, your computer may reuse the space occupied by the deleted file. This is called overwriting. Imagine placing a new book exactly where the old book was. Once enough new data replaces the old data, the recovery becomes much harder. So now, SSD versus HDD. Modern SSDs work a little differently from traditional hard drives. Many SSDs use a feature called trim. Trim helps the SSD clean up deleted data more quickly and improves performance. Because of this, recovering deleted files from SSDs can sometimes be harder than from older hard drives. So you can try this yourself. Create a text file, delete it, and then empty the recycle bin. Now you can use a free file recovery tool and see if the file can still be found. You might be surprised with the results. So when you delete a file, it usually isn't destroyed immediately. The computer often removes the file's address first and waits until the space is needed again. That's why deleted files can sometimes be recovered. Technology is full of hidden secrets, and this is one of the coolest one. So if you learned something new, subscribe to Smart Science and Tech and comment below what tech mysteries should we explain next. And thanks for watching this video.